In this video, I will compare Etsy and Shopify to help you decide which platform is the best for selling online. Whether you are an independent creator, artist, or business owner, I will break down the fees, features, and ease of use in both platforms. So let's kick off with the key differences. Well, Etsy is a marketplace where you can sell handmade, vintage, and unique products, and it is great for beginners looking for a first audience. While Shopify, on the other hand, is a dedicated e-commerce platform that lets you create your own storefront and brand, and therefore it is ideal for scaling a business. And let's move on to the ease of use. Well, Shopify has full control over branding, design, and features, but it requires more effort to drive traffic. So that is by running ads, and this will cost money. Etsy, on the other hand, has a simple setup with built-in audience but limited customization. And let's move on to the fees and pricing. Etsy charges a $20 listing fee per product, and it takes 6.5% in transaction fees. Shopify works different on the other hand. It works with monthly plans, and these monthly plans are starting at €24, equivalent to $25 a month, and you can upgrade your plan based on your revenue and your sales. And you can also get started with Shopify for free by clicking on the link in the description, and then you will actually get an extended trial period for 3 months. And after that, you can also extend for another 3 months by paying only €1 or $1 a month. So check the link in the description to enjoy this. So I would say that Shopify is the best for those who want to scale a brand, customize their store, and want to have full control over marketing and sales. And for Etsy, I would say it is best for small sellers who want to tap into an existing audience with minimal setup. And let's make a final verdict. So as already said, if you're just starting and want a low-risk way to sell handmade or vintage items, Etsy is a great option. But if you're serious about building a brand and scaling an online business, Shopify is the better long-term choice. So which platform do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.